Hi, if you have a similar error when loading the game access to Corsa like that, then there's a very easy fix. All you need to do is just close that, and then what you need to do is go to a file that's in my description and open that file, which is going to be like this. Hang on, which is going to be like this file. Open this, then when you have downloaded it, obviously, into your zip archive, and then open this error folder and copy all these files. Hang on, let me just maximize it. Copy all these files, and once that's done, sorry, I'm a bit slow. So once this done, what you need to do is copy them, copy files to clipboard, and then what you need to do is go to your game folder where the game is saved, the open file location, and then just paste them. Just paste your files you copied, and then what will happen is magic will happen. Just 1 second. Close this, and then try to run your game. Wait for it to load up, and just wait for a couple of seconds because this computer is a bit slow. There you go. The game's loaded up very smoothly and nicely, and then from there on, enjoy playing it. So let's quickly see how does this game look like, because I've downloaded this game, I haven't played it. Looks like very nice graphics and everything. Beautiful. So this is how to do it. Sorry, my system is a bit weak to run this game, so you can feel a bit of lag in there. Look at the graphics, beautiful graphics. And then what happens? We'll throw this file for now. Let's see how it plays. Beautiful. Okay, so this is the main interface where you play your games and everything. So hope that video was helpful, and enjoy the game. Thanks for watching. Bye.